In this video, we are going to learn about the general characters of fungi. The word fungus has been taken from the Latin, which means mushroom. Fungi are cosmopolitan in distribution. It means they can be seen in different countries. And fungi can occur in any habitat where life is possible. Many species are parasitic, infecting plants, animals, and human beings. Parasitic are those who depend on the living organisms for the food. And the plant body of fungi typically consists of the branch and filamentous hyphae, which form a net-like structure known as mycelium. The hyphae are aseptate. Aseptate means there is no cell walls in individual cells, and they are cenocytic. Cenocytic means multinucleate, or they are septate. Septate is the vice versa of the aseptate, and uni, bi, or multinucleate. The septa usually have simple pores, but in basidiomycetes, septa with polypore occur. And the main component of the cell wall in the fungal cellulose is also known as chitin. Chitin is a fibrous substance of the polysaccharides. And also in some lower fungi, the cell wall is composed of cellulose and glucan. The hyphae are homo or heterokaryotic, haploid, dikaryotic or diploid. In the cell where two or more genetically different nuclei share one common cytoplasm is known as heterokaryotic, and homokaryotic is vice versa of heterokaryotic. And the presence of two nuclei in each cell is known as dikaryotic. The hyphae contain colorless and vacuolated cytoplasm. Fungi are entirely devoid of chlorophyll. What is devoid? They lack chlorophyll, but some carotenoids are present. The higher fungi are immotile, but in lower fungi the reproductive cells are uni or biflagellate. Immotile is they don't move from one place to another place. And the flagella are of two types, whiplash and tinsel. The whiplash flagella is smooth, it does not have any hairs on it, and the tinsel flagella, the hairs are present. They are heterotrophic, they depend for food on the other organisms. They do not manufacture their own food, so that they are grouped into three types: parasites, saprophytes, and symbionts. Parasites: those fungi which obtain their nutrition or food from other living plants or animals are known as parasites. For example, a stilago. Here we can see the parasite on the maize. Saprophytes: these fungi obtain their nutrition or food from the dead and decaying organic matter. Example, mucor. Symbionts: some fungi grow on other living organisms and both are mutually benefited. Example is lichen. In most of the fungi, only a part of vegetative mycelium forms reproductive unit and the rest remains vegetative. Such fungi are known as eukaryotic. Vegetative mycelium is the hyphae that penetrates supporting medium and absorb the nutrients. On the screen we can see the image of the saprophyte mucor. In unicellular fungi, whole vegetative cell is transformed into a reproductive unit and they are known as holocarpic. The difference between the eucarpic and holocarpic is so simple. In eucarpic, only a part of a vegetative mycelium forms reproductive unit, but in the holocarpic, the whole vegetative cell is transformed into a reproductive unit. Fungi also undergoes the asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, and also the vegetative reproduction. And the vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, fission, and budding. I will be up with another video of the vegetative reproduction in fungi. We will learn the fragmentation, fission, and budding separately. It may be the 4 marks answer. And the asexual reproduction takes place by formation of spore. And the sexual reproduction is complete in the 3 distinct steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Hope you found the lecture helpful. Then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for the further updates. Take care and have a lovely day.